Where is the text progress at?
A little bit more down.
Okay. Hey, have you heard about the idea that men do the works at home, such as doing laundry, washing dishes, babysitting, and cooking?
Yeah, I've heard about it. What do you think about it?
Personally, I believe that men should be equally responsible for household chores. It should not be seen as just a woman's duty.
I agree with you. I think it's essential for men to contribute to the household chores. Sharing the responsibilities can strengthen the bond between partners and promote equality.
Exactly. Besides, doing household chores should not be gender specific. It's about maintaining a clean and organized living environment, and both partners should contribute to that.
Absolutely. Plus, it set a good example for children, showing them that household responsibilities should be shared among family members, regardless of their genders.
I could not agree more. It's time to break the stereotype that men are only responsible for providing financially while women take care of the household. Everyone should have equal opportunities and responsibilities at home.
I completely agree. It's not about the number of cars or who does more. It's about sharing the load and supporting each other in maintaining a harmonious home.
Personally, I believe that household chores should be a shared responsibility between partners, regardless of gender.
I see where you're coming from, but I think it only ultimately depends on the preference and dynamic of each household. Some couples may naturally divide the course based on their strengths and schedule.
That's true. Every couple has their own way of managing household responsibilities. However, it's important to ensure that the division of chores is fair and does not burden one person more than the other.
I agree with that. Open communication is key to finding a balance to work from both partners. If one person feels overwhelmed or unfairly burdened, it's crucial to address it. Makes adjustment.
Absolutely. It's about fostering a sense of equality and understanding within the relationship. When both partners contribute to the household chores, it can reduce stress and create a more harmonious living environment.
I can see the benefit of the approach. It allows both partners to share the load and frees up time for activity or personal pursuit.
Definitely, and it's not just about the chores themselves, but also about the values we want to instill in future generations. Teaching our children that household responsibilities are shared can break traditional gender roles and promote equality. Have you noticed that more men nowadays are actively participating in household chores?
Yes, it's quite refreshing to see the shift in traditional gender roles. What are your thoughts on men taking up household tasks.
Personally, I think it's a positive change. Sharing household chores promotes equality and helps build stronger relationships.
I couldn't agree more. When men take on household responsibility, it relieves some of the burden from women and create a more balanced environment.
It also breaks the stereotype that household chores are solely a woman's duty. Men should be just as capable and willing to contribute.
Absolutely, plus when men actively participate in household chores, they gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for the work that goes into maintaining a home.
That's true. It fosters empathy and respect for the efforts put in by their partners. It's a team effort after all.
It's also beneficial for children growing up in such household. They witness with firsthand that both genders can contribute equally to household tasks.
Yes, it sets a positive example and encourages them to develop a sense of responsibility and independence.
I believe it's a win solution uh, for everyone involved. Sharing household chores leads to happier relationship and more harmonious homes.
Do you think it's important for men to participate on household chores?
Definitely, it's this modern age. It's essential for men to share the responsibility of household tasks.
I agree. It's not fair to expect women to handle all the housework while men focus solely on their careers or other interests.
Exactly, by taking on household chores, men can actively contribute to the smooth running of the household and support their partners.
It also helps to create a more equal partnership where both partners share the workload and decision making.
It's a matter of fairness and respect. Men should recognize the household chores are not gender specific and be willing to contribute.
I think it's also about breaking social stereotypes. Men should feel comfortable and confident in performing household tasks without any judgment.
I completely agree by challenging these stereotypes. We promote a more progressive and inclusive society.
And let's not forget the positive impact it has on children. When they see their father actively participating in household chores, they learn that gender should never limit one's responsibility.
Absolutely, it touches them, them the importance of equality and prepares them to become more responsibility individuals in the future.
So it's not just about sharing the physical work, but also about shaping attitudes and values within the family and society as a whole.
That's right. When men take part in household chores, it benefits everyone involved and creates a more balanced and harmonious living environment. By challenging traditional gender norms, we can create a more inclusive and balanced society.
Exactly. So, regardless of the specific task involved, the important thing is to have open discussions, set expectations, and work together as a team to maintain a happy and healthy home. Okay, Rehan, thank you for your opinion.
You are welcome.